Hi everyone, Michelle here, and today we're going to be unboxing our Skoot. It's our newest little tricycle for the little bitty ones, and it's super cute. So go ahead, open your box, pull out all the pieces out of the plastic, lay them out, and come back and we'll put it together. All right, now that we have everything laid out, we don't have that many parts, so we'll start with the frame. And the first thing you want to do is insert the front wheel. So you're going to put it through the bottom, just work it in like so. Then you're going to take your child's steering or handle, and in here you have the screw that's already attached. So it has a nut on the bottom. I already took that off on the back end of it, and then I'm just going to get that out. There we go. Pull that out. So now you want to keep that black part up and insert. Notice there's two holes, so you can go high or low, whichever one your child needs. Bring this down and then situate it with whichever hole you'd like. And then we're going to put it, line up my holes here. Okay, so we've got it through the first part, and then we're going to go through the other part. I'll turn it around. Okay, so the end is there. Then you want to put on the little nut here. Okay, then we grab your little Allen wrench, and on the other side, you're going to just start tightening it while you hold your finger over the nut on the other side so it doesn't spin. Okay, nice and tight. Then you can just bring that little white cap down. Okay, your handlebars are installed, and all we have left is our seat. The seat will come with the screw in it. So you'll just pull that out. There's only one height for the seat. Just push that all the way down. I like to turn it upside down like this so it's pushing the seat on. Then you're going to go right back underneath the seat from the back side. Push it in as much as it'll go. Then you'll take your Allen wrench again, and you'll just tighten that nice and tight. Okay. There you go. You have assembled your Skoot. Thanks for watching our video today. Give us a thumbs up, a like. We welcome any comments in the comment section or questions.